Welcome to 200forexflips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the expert advisor analysis. So before going to the analysis, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates about the signals as well as the expert advisor from my side. Okay guys, as you know that we are using the expert advisor on two pairs, Euro USD and Euro Canadian dollar, and it's working pretty fine for us. And we use the trading system you can see on the attached chart here only when we have to cover up some losses. Otherwise there is no need to use the trading system. So guys, I have, as you know that in the previous videos I have talked about that I have developed and I have maintained a strategy here that when my loss exceeds $20, then I enter into the manual trading using this trading system you can see on the attach using this one. Okay guys, first of all let's me talk about that how this expert advisor was working today. So for 25 cents, 25 cents, 25, 25, 25, and then look at here we have some series of losses here: 46 cents, 43, 40, 4.38, 4.41, 4.45, 6.06 and 6.04. Okay guys, then what I have done, look, I have taken a buy position on Euro USD. Why? The reason is this: my loss was just trying to exceed $20, and you know that I have set up this strategy that I do not let my loss go above $20. That's what in my strategy here. So guys, I have already mentioned this thing in my last video and even in my previous videos that we cannot 100% rely on anything, but you have to do. There is no expert advisor developed till now which is 100%. There is no. I'm telling you in very clear words, because some people it's misleading to some people that they think that expert advisor will do everything. No, not all the time. If you look at the previous results are quite impressive. Look, series of profits are coming using this expert advisor with no problem. But today what I have done, I have taken the trade of $140, and you can see why I have taken this trade, because my loss was trying to exceed $20. It was at like when I took the trade it was like about $17 to $18. So what I have done, I have taken a buy position on Euro USD because right in the morning the market was into the lower red boundary, and you know that this is the oversold levels as per the trading system, as per the trading indicators. So basically the expert advisor page is here. But when you are consulting this trading system, I provide this trading system for free with the expert advisor. So only just for the reason, so you can see it has also pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow here, and after look at we ignore the red arrows at the oversold levels, and after waiting for some hours the market suddenly went up and the single long bearish candle ended up with very good profit. Now guys, my loss was only $20. If we talk about the previous trades that we have seen today on Euro Canadian dollar and rest of the trading that is done, but I have taken the $140 profit on the trade. So if we deduct $20 from 140, then it means that my potential profit went more than $120, because after that I closed all these manual trades who were in losses, and then I restart my MT4 terminal, and now again it's back to trading with 0.01, and you can see the trading is on right on Euro Canadian dollar also, and it's working quite fine. So guys, always make sure that you should have a strategy in your mind. So you know that I'm also testing this expert advisor and I'm getting very good results, but of course there is no 100% strategy in the forex market. It's fully automated, but I do not take more risks. That's very simpler. I just want to get rid of my losses as soon as possible. That is why I use the 0.50 lot size. So if you want to get rid of your losses from the lower lot sizes, then it's possible, because $20 is to recover nothing in this forex market if you're using a good account size. So normally, if you ask me, I use normally 0.50, but in case if my suggestion goes if my trade goes against this, then I take the lot sizes in a different way, like 1 lot size, 2, 3 and 4. So overall I'm very happy with the results, and let this expert advisor work, and it's working pretty fine at my end. So guys, if you're willing to get this expert advisor, and if you are also willing to get the trading indicators separately, So for all this, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Guys, I also provide the Forex signal service. For this, you need to watch my previous videos. You will come to know that how I prepare my signals service. There is a signal service from my side, so you can watch my previous videos. Okay, guys, looking forward for you through your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Guys, please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.